Everybody, I'm Kyle Juliff, Industrial Control Specialist in Houston for the Reynolds Company here at Automation Fair 2017 in Houston. I'm going to talk real quick about the 800K style of push buttons. So right here we've got a selection of our 800K style push buttons. These are IP69K rated, wash down. You can get illuminated or non-illuminated versions. So here we've got the 30mm and 22mm style of push button, illuminated and non-illuminated in both. If you come in, we can look at the back of the panel here. These are the contact blocks. You're offered for the illuminated, you have a normally open and normally closed, and a contact for the light, which means you could just use it as a pilot light and don't have to use it as a push button. These are potted here to, again, help with corrosion. Stainless steel mounting in the back, and a close-up on the lights in the front. Just a really cool, kind of futuristic almost look to them that are great for food and bev.